Welcome back, students. We are learning linear inequations, and in previous classes I have mentioned the rules, and we have discussed some more models as well. You can check out those videos to familiarize yourself with the basics and rules also. Let's see one more question now, in which you can find you have to solve this inequation, okay, and you have to represent it on number line. Okay, this is my question. The solution is, you have to write again same way. You have to write minus 3x minus 7 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1 by 3. X belongs to real numbers. See, always this thing will tell you what kind of numbers you have to take, what kind of number set this inequation belongs to. Okay, so x is a variable, and that variable has numbers which belong to real number set in this case. Okay, in this problem. Okay, right. Then let's start solving. Make two partitions, as I always mention. You have two symbols. Yes, so this is part A, this is part B, and this is part C. A and B here, B and C here. Okay, so let's start solving. Minus 3 times x minus 7 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x, and here you have 15 minus 7x greater than x plus 1 by 3. Solving part is same like any equation you've solved all these years. Okay, so minus 3x, and then you have minus 3 into minus plus 7 3s are 21 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x. Be careful with the sign. You have to change the sign because it's minus outside, and inside also you have minus. Minus into minus becomes plus, and 7 into 3 21. Some children have this habit of forgetting to multiply with the second part. Please remember this, you cannot do that. And then minus 3x plus 7x greater than or equal to 15 minus 21. 7 minus 3, because bigger number is 7, plus 4x, isn't it, greater than or equal to minus, this should be minus 6. Yes, 15 plus 6 is 21, so minus 6. So x is greater than or equal to minus 6 by 4. Do we have to change the sign here? No. Do we have to change the symbol here? No. Why? Because it's already with the number, so no issues. Equals to minus 3 by 2. So how much is the value? I can write this as x is greater than or equal to minus 1.5. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Yep. Right. Next. Let's see the next part. You will write this as 15 minus 7x greater than or equal to x plus 1 by 3. Now you have to be very careful here. Since I have 3 as denominator, entire denominator is 3. Just bring the 3 here and multiply. Or the other way of telling this, I can do this by writing, I'll just change the color so that it's identified, by 1. If I write like this, cross multiply, just cross multiply, what will happen? You will write 15 minus 7x into 3 is greater than, I'm sorry for the symbol, is greater than x plus 1 into 1. Correct? So 3 times 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1 into 1 is same, so it is x plus 1. 15 3s are, yes, 15 3s are 45. Okay, and then 3 into 7x minus 7x, plus into minus is minus, 7 3s are 21x. Yep, greater than, this is bracket. Okay, please understand. And then you will write x plus 1. Minus 21x minus x greater than 1 minus 45. Can I write like this? Yes, I can. So minus 22x is greater than minus 44. Remember the first case when I discussed about the rules, you have minus on either side. So what you have to do? You have to cancel it, change the symbol, and write 22x is less than 44. So x is less than 44 by 2. So x is less than 2. This is one condition, this is another condition. So what are the two conditions you have? One is x is greater than or equal to minus 1.5 and x is less than 2. You need to draw the number line, and what you have to do, we have to draw for the values which are shown here. So let's start solving this. X is greater than or equal to minus 1.5 and x is less than 2. Isn't it? Can be written as like this: x is less than 2 and it should be greater than or equal to minus 1.5. I have discussed this one earlier also. Which side is the crocodile mouth open? X. So can I rewrite this like this? I can write, correct? So this is how I combine both and write this format. So this is my solution set actually. Solution is for x. But solution set as such, how will you write? We will see in a minute. Okay? But before that, we will represent it. When I say less than or equal to, then where is 1.5? Somewhere here is 1.5 minus 1.5. So this is entirely shaded circle, and then because it says less than equal to, okay, and there is 2 here, 2 is not included, so I just write like this. What does x belong to? Real numbers. So I can include all the numbers between minus 1.5 and 2 excluding 2. Okay, so this is how you write. So you will write minus 1.5, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, not 2, I'm sorry, you cannot write 2. This is how you can write, of course, but x is between minus 1.5 and 2 is the actual way you have to represent it. Why? Because x belongs to, since x belongs to real numbers, all the numbers between minus 1.5 and minus 1, or minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 3, 2, all these numbers are represented under the category of real numbers. So you cannot simply write only the few numbers. It's actually between the entire set. Okay, you can also represent this as minus 1.5 comma 2. This is closed bracket and this is open bracket. So this is called closed bracket where you include the value, and this is called open bracket where you exclude the value. So this represents excluded values and this represents included. Okay, so this is how you can represent the x belongs to this set. Okay, thank you so much.